new version of Mavic 2 recently from the DroneDJ, called the Mavic Enterprise Edition. It already looked like it would have some kind of interchangeable gimbal/camera system. Now it seems that DJI has taken this approach to a whole new level with the unofficial presentation of the Mavic Enterprise series. Considering that DJI started making a breakthrough in the commercial drones market, it would make a lot of sense to present an adjustable and customizable Mavic 2. The Mavic Enterprise drone that it has seems to be a kind of speaker, which could be useful in situations like this and with a connected sensor. Mavic Enterprise allows you to easily mount different sensors or instruments in the drone with a screw that can be tightened by hand. It would make sense for DJI to open its small and compact Mavic drones platform for different applications, and it seems that the world's largest drone maker has done just that with the presentation of the Mavic Pro successor.